Okay, I'm going to show you in this video how to download Dualless extension. It is used for splitting your screen. It's a really good extension to have. Alright, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by opening up another tab, and I'm going to type in Chrome Web Store. That first one there is the Chrome Web Store. Click on that. Going to type in Dualless. First one there. Okay. Going to click on the Add to Chrome button over here. It's going to say yes. I'm going to add the extension. Okay, now it's going to tell you that Dualless has been added to Chrome. Use this extension by clicking on the icon. Okay, I'm just going to click on this, and then I'm going to pin Dualless to the top. So now it's installed. So I've got two tabs open. I've got my home tab for the Windsor-Essex Catholic District School Board, and I've got my Chrome Web Store tab. So I want to split them. Since this is the active tab, when I split it, it's going to show me how I want it. So do I want it horizontal, 30%, 70%, 40%, 60%, 50-50, 60-40, 70-30, or just go back to one screen. Also, I can do vertical, so if I want them above each other, same thing. So I'm going to go horizontal, and I'm just going to go 50-50, and I'm going to click whichever tab I want this one to be. So I want that one to be over there. And then boom, I've got my two tabs side by side. I've got my home page over here, and I've got my web store one over here. So you can do this for any two pages, and I hope you enjoy it. Please install Dualless on your Chrome browser.